How to enable keyboard one-hand mode on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can enable keyboard one-hand mode on Android. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So to enable one-handed keyboard mode on Android, open up your keyboard. So you can go to maybe your Notes app or anything and open up your keyboard. So after your keyboard opens up, this is for Gboard, since Gboard is the default keyboard for Android. You'll need to tap on the settings icon. After you're on the settings icon, you will then need to go to preferences, and from here you will find an option that says one-handed keyboard. Head over there. Now you can choose either if you're left-handed or right-handed. So I'll just choose right-handed for now. You can choose your left-handed option as well. After you do that, to activate it on or activate or deactivate, you can usually tap on the four square option. Let me head back here. There you can see now it's one-handed mode. Now we can expand on this by tapping on this expand button. You can let me tap on it. There we go. Now if you tap on this four square icon, you can see one-handed mode. If you tap on it, you can directly access it without having to go through the settings. Now you can tap on this arrow option that shows the left side to enable the left hand side mode of your keyboard, and you can tap on this dot square option, from which you can actually set how big you want the keyboard to be. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.